Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA A Plus Code 2. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on CompTIA A Plus Code 2 is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent network printer connectivity issues? Your answer should be: to troubleshoot intermittent network printer connectivity issues, I would first check the network connections between the computer and the printer, including Ethernet or Wi-Fi connections and cables, to ensure they are properly connected and not damaged. Next, I would verify the printer's IP address and network settings to ensure they are configured correctly and compatible with the computer's network configuration. I would then update the printer drivers on the computer and check for any system updates that may address printing related issues. Additionally, I would consider restarting the printer and the computer, resetting the printer to factory defaults, or reinstalling the printer drivers to troubleshoot the connectivity issues further. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a virtual private network (VPN) in network security and how it helps secure data transmission over untrusted networks? Your answer should be: a virtual private network (VPN) is a secure encrypted connection established over an untrusted network, such as the Internet, that allows users to access and transmit data securely between remote locations or devices. It helps secure data transmission over untrusted networks by encrypting data traffic between the user's device and the VPN server, preventing eavesdropping and interception by unauthorized parties. VPNs create a private and secure communication tunnel over the public internet, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of transmitted data, making them ideal for remote access, secure communication, and data privacy. Our next interview question is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent disk read and write errors or data corruption? Your answer should be: to troubleshoot intermittent disk read and write errors or data corruption, I would first check the disk drive's health and integrity using diagnostic tools such as CHKDSK, check disk, or disk utility to scan for and repair any file system errors or bad sectors on the disk. Next, I would update the disk drive's firmware and check for any firmware updates that may address disk related issues. Additionally, I would consider testing the disk drive with different SATA or power cables, connecting it to a different SATA port on the motherboard, or testing it on a different computer to determine if the problem is with the disk drive or the computer's hardware configuration. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a firewall in network security and how it helps protect against unauthorized access and cyber threats? Your answer should be: a firewall is a network security device or software application that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules and policies, preventing unauthorized access and protecting against cyber threats such as malware, viruses, and hacking attempts. Firewalls inspect network packets and enforce access control policies to allow or block traffic based on factors such as source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols, helping secure networks and safeguard sensitive data from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.